We're going to find the area of a circle. A reminder, we're going to use this formula. Area equals pi times r, or if you want to use your squared button on your calculator, area equals pi r squared. Okay, but I would suggest we just stick with this one to avoid the exponents, which we don't really do in grade 7. Okay, so we're going to use the radius on all of these. We're going to find the area, and we're going to round our answers to the nearest tenth, meaning 1 decimal place. Okay, so the first one, area equals pi times r times r. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the numbers I know. Pi is 3.14 times, what's my radius? 12 times what radius again? 12. Type that in my calculator, 3.14 times 12 times 12. Answer is, so it shows 452.16. So again, I want 1 decimal place. So the 1's either going to stay a 1 or become a 2. Look to the right, it's a 6, so it rounds up to a 2. So it's 452.2. And then it's miles squared. So remember, we're doing area here. So our answers are squared. Second one, area equals pi times r times r. Area equals 3.14 times 5.2 times 5.2. Plug that in here, 3.14 times 5.2 times 5.2 equals, lots of decimals on this one. So it's going to be 84 point, it's either going to be 9 or it's going to round up to 85. Beside the 9 is a 0, so that 9 stays a 9. And it's kilometers squared. Another one here, 6.4 miles is our radius. So we do pi times r times r. Area equals 3.14 times 6.4 times 6.4. Area equals 3.14 times 6.4 times 6.4 equals 128 point, and then we've got 6 or 7 beside it. So 1, so it stays a 6. So rounded to tenths, miles squared. All right, here's another one. Area equals pi, we're going to do this one, pi r squared. Broke my pencil. Pi r squared, and I'll show you on my calculator. So area equals 3.14 times 3 squared. Area equals, so we're going to do 3.14 times 3, and then I do the squared button, which is right here. Well, you can't really see. Squared button, which 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, equals 28 point. So it's either going to be a 2 or a 3. Beside it's a 6, rounds up to a 3 yards squared. All right, 2 more, and then that's enough. It's all the same, just a different radius each time. Pi times r times r. Area equals our pi, or our radius this time is 5. 3.14 times 5 times 5. 3.14 times 5 times 5 equals 78.5. No rounding needed there. Keep breaking my pencil. Feet squared. All right, the last one I'm going to do here. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 8.6 squared. So again, that just means 8.6 times 8.6, which if I do just that part, okay, that's 73.96. So when I do 8.6 and hit the squared button, 73.96. So that's how it works. I would times that by 3.14 equals 232 point, and it's going to be one place, so it's got 2 next to it's a 3, so it stays a 2 inches squared. All right, that's how you calculate the area of a circle using the radius in our formula. Area equals pi times r squared, or pi times r times r.